To create a clip, first mark an event by clicking the Event button. Mark the start point. Click the Mark In button. Mark the end point of the clip. Click the Mark Out button. Clicking the Clip button creates a new marked clip and adds it to the OnAir field. To move between clips, use the forward and backward navigation buttons. To move to the end and the beginning of the clip list, use the Shift key and the forward and backward navigation buttons. To move a selected clip through the list, use the Control key and the forward and backward navigation buttons, respectively. To delete a selected clip from the list, use the Control-Delete key combination. You can also edit a finished clip by selecting it from the OnAir list and clicking the Edit Clip button. The clip is added to the editing area. Here, you can change the marked clip boundaries, mark in and mark out, and change the active camera. You can save the clip as new by clicking the Clip button, or replace the edited clip with the key combination Shift, Control, Clip. To edit the marked in and out points on a prepared clip, select the needed clip in the list. While holding down the Mark In button, select a new in point. While holding down the Mark Out button, select a new out point. Create a playlist by clicking the Playlist button. A name is assigned to the clip list. The playlist is then added to the Playlists tab. Using the Shift, Control, Alt, and Enter key combination, we save the current playlist and free up the OnAir field for new clips. To add a playlist to the OnAir field, select it in the Playlists tab and press the Add Replace button. The Shift, Add Replace key combination replaces the playlist in the OnAir field with the playlist selected in the Playlists tab. You can also add individual clips from playlists to the OnAir field by pressing the Add Replace button. To assign a hotkey combination to a playlist, select the playlist in the list, hold down Shift and Control, and then enter the number key combination. To open a playlist using hotkeys, hold down Control and the assigned hotkey combination. To split a clip, move the playlist slider to the needed point. Hold down Alt, and then press the Edit Clip button. A new clip will be added to the OnAir field, with the start point set to the point where we set the slider. Before starting playback, we can set the initial speed. Hold down the Shift key. Raise the T-bar to increase playback speed, and lower it to decrease playback speed. Using the Control and Stop keys, you can change the playback mode for clips in the list. You can stop at the end of one clip, at the end of each clip, or play without stop. Pressing the FX key adds a transition effect between clips. The Speed Range button changes the playback speed range for the T-bar.